it's okay. Do it the big kids way.
It's a bright and sunny day in Wavy Town. I wonder what Lila and Benny are up to. Look, here comes Theo.
Is that a new toy?
Lila cutting hair.
Yeah.
Do you want to try, Benny?
No cut.
Theo, time to get your hair cut. Later that day, all our friends are at the barber shop.
Are you okay?
Would you like to get your hair cut too, Benny?
No, chair is too big. Haircut will hurt.
Benny,
It's okay.
it's Zavi Wavy!
Yay!
Let's do it the big kids way. Big kid tools can help. Be brave. Be smart. Be together. Benny, which big kid tool should we use today?
Be brave.
Well, now that looks like a big kid's cape. Did you know I have tools too? Let's show you how easy it can be. It's not scary for a big kid. Would you like to get your hair cut now, Benny? We put on an apron. We comb one side and then we snip. We spray a cool mist from the spray bottle. We comb, and then we use a buzzy trimmer.
Wow.
And then we do it again.
You did it!
Yay!
Hey, big kids, here's what we learned today.
The barber is nice. Getting your hair cut is fun. You get a lollipop.
Wow.
Hey, big kids and parents, don't forget to subscribe and like us on Facebook and Instagram, links below.